5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With day 2, it started with an aerobic session where we got the participants to distress a little, and then we moved on to an IBM DNA workshop where we got them to understand what the IBM Digital Nations Africa is all about and how the platform works and all of that. And then we moved on to Vodafone. Vodafone has a future job finder platform just to help students understand the options that are available for them in terms of getting out of school and then finding a job. And then we moved on to another presentation by Dr. C.J. Bachman, where he came to empower the students, advise them and admonish them on some of the things that they need to take serious and some of the things they need to do better.
90% of young people in Ghana think that breakthrough is church. Breakthrough is in you and God, not the church. When you go to church, you're thinking your pastor breathe, don't breathe, don't breathe, and breathe and you breathe. Breathe and say, I will breathe, and you breathe with God. So that's your priority. Are you getting where I'm coming from?
And then we will be wrapping up the day with a speed mentoring session where we have over 40 mentors coming in to share their thoughts, coming to share their experiences and expertise, advise the students on some of the important things that they need to know and understand. Despite the up and downs, I think a couple of them have been able to complete their projects. Some of them are working on their pitches, others are trying to finalize. Out of all the teams that are working, it's only 30 of them that are going to present tomorrow. So from about 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. we'll let them make a submission of their pitches, get to vet whatever work that they have done so far. We are going to pick the 30 teams that are going to pitch tomorrow. So first thing tomorrow, the teams are going to pitch. Every single team is going to be given some few minutes, maximum 5 minutes, to tell us what they have been working on in the past 2 days.
Actually, we are working on a land registration system. That's helping to prevent the issues of assuming someone is having a land and sell it to 2 people. We are trying to devise an app that will help cure those issues using blockchain.
It hasn't been easy at all. Sometimes the problems, the ideas to put in place so that, and all those things, they are very tactical. Right?
Okay. And you seem to be the youngest member, I don't know, because of your size. How old are you?
12.
12. What school do you attend?
HackLab.
Okay, where did you come from?
Accra, Pram.
Okay, that's far. How long did it take you to get here?
Almost 5 hours.
Okay. So what technologies do you know? As in, how are you helping your team build?
They need some ideas. I'll bring some ideas for them.
Okay. So are you coding, or you're the business guy, or you're the guy doing the pitch?
I'm just come to observe.
Okay. And how has your experience been so far, seeing people around?
Good.
Good. Are you inspired to do more?
Yes.
I'm Christiana Asari.
Okay. Please, which school are you from?
I'm from University of Ghana.
Oh, okay. All the way from Accra.
Yes.
How long did it take you to get here?
About 6 hours.
6 hours. Okay. So what problem is your team solving using? What problem is your team solving using blockchain?
So we are targeting the health sector, and we basically want to track the value chain of the health care system. And we are targeting the pharmaceutical industry to be specific.
We're using Python and Django. We're also using the IBM Hyperledger platform to implement the blockchain, and Docker also.
Okay. So how would people interact with your system?
So mostly our system is not, there is a site for the general public. So the general public has a mobile app that they use to scan a drug and then see, the FDA already has this true scan that they use to scan drugs and get the serial to show that it is original. And then what we add to that is the blockchain behind it to show where this drug is coming from, whose hands it passed through, if it is original. I would say we have a really great chance but 3 days to build a fully functioning prototype is steep. But let's see how that goes. And it's not only about HackLab. It's about the idea and what this could do for Ghana and for Africa. Yes.
And how does it feel being an all-female developer team?
It's great. It's great. We've got our sisters. I've got my sisters. They're supporting me. We're supporting each other, and we're making great things happen. Hopefully. Yes.
So one problem we realized was the delay in sending transcripts from a past university to a prospective university. Yes. And it happens when a student who has, say for instance, completed electrical engineering, BSc, and wants to apply to do his master's. Yes. I actually encountered a situation whereby a friend of mine missed his scholarship package because there was a delay in the transcripts. Like there was a delay in the transcripts. It wasn't delivered early yet. And so I thought of it that, okay, how can I reduce this delay so that people like him wouldn't be in the same shoes?
I want us to emerge as the winners of, first and foremost, I would want us to emerge as the winners, and then make as many friends as we can and learn a lot as well.
And in the end, we are going to crown a winner. We are going to be looking out for the best projects in different verticals, from agriculture to health and many others.
It's such a privilege to find exceptional talent and also to discover great people who are doing amazing things in tech, software development and content. For me, I think it's an opportunity for young people to attend such an event, to learn, to be able to gain skills.